Hello, I am your everyday average Jonathan. Join me this week as I turn this and this into a metal lily for a soon-to-be mom. Hello, I am your everyday average Jonathan. I'm an ordinary guy with ordinary tools making extraordinary items. A friend of mine has a daughter that's going to be giving birth to a new baby family member here shortly, and she reached out to me and asked if I would make her daughter a gift in the form of a metal flower, specifically a metal lily, which I've made before. My friend saw the build project that I did where I made these flowers and requested this, and I couldn't be more honored to do it. If the baby's going to be a girl, which I'm not certain if it is, then I would say that I'm tickled pink to make this. But I'm going to add an additional challenge to myself. I'm going to try to make this flower in under 1 hour, and therefore I'm calling this the flower hour or the hour flower, perhaps. I'm thrilled to do it. I'm happy to do it for a great cause and a great person. So let's get to the shop and get started. Thanks for stopping by and taking a look at this project. I have to be honest, I wasn't sure I was going to get this done in an hour. I've never tried to before. And with a few small exceptions, I see one or two corners on this that I'm probably just going to go touch up and make sure that they're not too ludicrously sharp when giving it to somebody. But other than that, I think I could probably do this for sure I could do this in 45 minutes. I'm wondering if I could get it below 40 minutes. There were a few hiccups that cost me a teensy bit of time, maybe another 5 minutes or so. But regardless, I hope that she likes it. And I can't wait for her to receive it as a baby welcoming gift. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next week.